people out there, it's me again. So today's video we're going to be doing a toddler hygiene routine. First of all, I look a mess. I just hopped on camera looking just like anything. My kids are, my kids don't want to be quiet while I'm doing this video. My tripod broke, so I have it sitting on my computer chair with my Bible holding the lens up. So, but this video is gonna get done and edited, okay? But anyways, I thought it'd be cool to show you guys. Really, say hi, Tristan. Say hi. Hi.
Hello.
It's real life, you guys. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys our hygiene routine for toddlers, just in case any moms out there are wondering what to use for your child. Personally, I like to use mint toothpaste and swish for her mouth because y'all know morning breath is real, and with all the stuff that kids eat, I just want to make sure that her teeth are well taken care of. So I know they have like the toothpaste that tastes like blueberries and strawberries and different sugars and stuff like that, and personally I don't have a problem with it, but I prefer her to use a mint toothpaste. I love using the Tom's because it's natural, it contains natural ingredients, it's healthier, it doesn't contain any chemicals, so I like using that. As far as the swish goes, I like for her to use the minty kind. I know it looks like, when you see the routine, you'll be like, oh, why does she have Avengers swish or whatever? And it's because that's the only swish that I've seen that is mint kind, because they have the bubblegum flavor, they have the strawberry flavor, but they don't have mint flavor swish for kids. So I was like, well, this is the only one, and her breath smells really good after she's done using it, so that's why I used that. I've used other products and I'm open to use different products, but for right now that seems to work for us. If you want your kids' breath to smell better, because y'all know sometimes when kids be talking to us, you be like, girl, dude, wait, hold on. I know it's like, dang, I'm a mom telling my kid this, but it's real life, because they be trying to tell us, mommy, your breath stink, and I'm like, girl, bye, yours do too. But like I said, her routine is very simple, it's very easy. She also has floss, but we do that at night so she get any chicken and stuff like that out of her mouth before she goes to bed. So without any further ado, here is her routine. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below what your child's hygiene routine is like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Toothbrush wet. Then I use my special mint toothpaste. And then I just squirt it on. And I spin the cap back on. And I put my toothpaste, not toothbrush. And then I get to brush my teeth. Then I spit it up. Sometimes the toothpaste goes all the way down, so I have to rinse my whole brush. I use my Some as a toothbrush. If you guys can see, there's a 10 right there. And if you guys can see again, there's a 17. And I go to 10. And then I spit it out. I count to 10, and then I spit it out. That's it. Bye.